Hello everyone, I'm your host Yashasvi and I welcome you all at LiveLaw. Today I'm going to discuss the Public Examinations Prevention of Unfair Means Act 2024. Public examinations play a crucial role in shaping the futures of our youth, whether for college admissions or securing their dream jobs. Recently, however, paper leaks and cancellation in public examinations have raised serious concerns about the government's competence and commitment to managing these large-scale examinations. The new central legislation, Public Examinations Prevention of Unfair Means Act, is being praised as the ultimate solution to eliminate all problems within the public examination system. This comes amid the massive row over the alleged malpractices in conducting the NEET and UGC NET examinations. This law is designed to prevent unfair practices in public examinations with stringent measures intended to deter cheating and other exam-related malpractices. Now coming towards the history of the Act. A significant number of question paper leaks in recruitment exams have been reported over last 5 to 10 years, with at least 48 instances occurring in 16 states within the past 5 years. This means that on average, around 50 instances of paper leaks have been reported, which is alarmingly high. If 1 in every 5 exams is compromised, the exam cycle becomes very severely extended. Consequently, aspirants have to repeatedly take the same examination without receiving their results, which negatively impact their future prospects and mental health. These leaks affect the lives of at least 1.5 crore applicants competing for about 1.2 lakh posts. When a paper is cancelled due to a leak, it needs to be rescheduled, disrupting the exam cycle. Selecting a new date within the calendar year further delays the process, extending the examination cycle and causing significant inconvenience and uncertainty for the candidates. The government notified the Public Examinations Prevention of Unfair Means Bill on June 21. The bill was moved by Union Minister Jitendra Singh in the Lok Sabha on 5th February 2024. On February 13th, President Draupadi Murmu approved the Public Examinations Prevention of Unfair Means Bill 2024, which is designed to address cheating in government recruitment examinations. The Act covers examinations conducted by authorities notified by the central government, including the Union Public Service Commission, Staff Selection Commission, Railway Recruitment Board, National Testing Agency, Institute of Banking Personnel Selection, and various central government departments and their affiliated offices for recruitment. A gazetted notification issued by the Ministry of Personnel, Public Grievances and Pensions announced that in exercise of the powers conferred by the subsection 2 of section 1 of the Act, the central government hereby appoints June 21, 2024 as the date on which the provisions of the Act will come into effect. The bill was passed by both houses of the Parliament during the budget session that concluded on February 10th. It aims to prevent the use of unfair means in public examinations and to promote greater transparency, fairness, and credibility. Now I'll try to summarize the important provisions of the Act in brief. Starting from Section 2, Clause 1, Subclause F of the Act defines institution but excludes the National Testing Agency, which is currently under scrutiny for its actions. According to this definition, an institution refers to any agency, organization, body, association of persons, business entity, company, partnership, or sole proprietorship, except for public examination authorities and their service providers. The Act specifies unfair means to include unauthorized access or leakage of question papers or answer keys, assisting a candidate tampering with computer networks or documents, conducting fake examinations, issuing fake admit cards or offer letters for monetary gain, disclosing exam-related confidential information prematurely, and unauthorized entry into the examination centers to create disruptions. The Act is considered stringent due to its severe punitive measures. Section 9 states that all the offences under this Act are cognizable, non-bailable and non-compoundable. Section 10 Clause 1 prescribes imprisonment for a minimum of 3 years, which may extend to 5 years, and a fine of up to Rs 10 lakh for those found guilty of using unfair means. If the fine is not paid, additional imprisonment will be imposed as per the Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita 2023. The Act introduces the concept of organized crime in public examinations, defining it as unlawful activity conducted by individuals or groups colluding to gain wrongful benefits in public examinations. The Act also prohibits disclosing exam-related confidential information before time and unauthorized people from entering exam centers to create disruptions. The offences will be punishable with imprisonment between 3 and 5 years and a fine of up to 10 lakh. All the offences under the bill will be cognizable, non-bailable and non-compoundable. Penalties for organized crime include a minimum fine of rupees 1 crore and imprisonment ranging from 5 to 10 years. For other offences, the fine is at least rupees 10 lakh with imprisonment from 3 to 5 years. The legislation has a broad scope, applying to the UPSC, SSC, Railway Recruitment Boards, IBPS, ministries or departments of the central government, their attached subordinate offices for staff recruitment, the NDA and any other authority notified by the central government. For investigations, the Act mandates that no officer below the rank of Deputy Superintendent of Police shall conduct investigations. However, it does not address the need for a specialized technical body to handle cases involving advanced technology used in public examination frauds. Given the rapid advancement in technology, a technologically advanced investigating committee is necessary. Section 14 of the Act protects the chairperson, members, officers and employees of public examination authorities by designating them as public servants under the BNS. It states that no legal proceedings can be brought against public servants for actions done in good faith while performing their official duties. However, public servants are still subject to administrative action as per their authority service rules, and legal proceedings may be pursued if there is a prima facie case of an offence under this Act. The bill specifies that candidates will not be held liable under this Act and will remain covered by existing administrative provisions of the Public Examination Authority. It is unclear if the government maintains this leniency towards candidates, some of whom have been involved in recent paper leaks and secured unjustified ranks. The Act shifts the burden of proving innocence to the accused under Section 10, Clause 4, stating that a person is not liable for punishment if they can prove that they were unaware of the offence and exercised due diligence to prevent it. Let me tell you that the Act has also faced criticism for several shortcomings. The opposition has labelled it as a desperate attempt to cover up failures, particularly in the light of NEET paper leaks. The unexplained delay in implementing the Act has led many citizens to believe that the government may have overlooked the issues affecting the public examination system. Despite being aware of these problems, there is a skepticism that the proposed law, even if enacted immediately, would bring about the comprehensive reform. On the other hand, the delay in notification may have encouraged individuals, organized groups, and institutions to persist with their unfair practices for financial gain, knowing that the Act would not apply retroactively. Moreover, having legislation alone might not be enough to deter wrongdoing unless it is implemented effectively. As previously mentioned, various states already have laws to address unfair practices, but these have not successfully stopped paper leaks. So this was a brief summary about the Public Examinations Prevention of Unfair Means Act 2024. If you have liked and learned from what you have watched, please like and share this video. And for more such interesting legal updates, stay tuned to LiveLaw. I'll see you again in another enriching legal video. Till then, take care. Thank you.